Hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have a beautiful watch from MMI. This is the Washi paper dial collaboration with Awagami Factory. Beautiful piece. This is a 39.5 millimeter case, 46 lug to lug. It's running a Miyota 9000 series movement. Nice full length bracelet, heavy duty clasp. This does have micro adjustability, and as you can see, a display case back on this watch. Very well put together. These came out last year, and they sold out rather quickly, not surprisingly. Now, this yellow dial I do not believe is available anymore, but they do have, I think, 6 other dial colors available out there, as well as a Norlights version, which will show some of the lume on that at the end. As you can see, the case side with that signed crown, and running away inside of this one is that 9000 series Miyota movement, beating at a high rate there. Beautiful watch. Here it is on my 7-inch wrist. Fits really well, and that micro adjustability on that clasp assembly is going to make this watch fit your wrist even if there's swelling or anything like that. BGW9 is being used, and really impressive. You guys can see that Norlights version that you can pre-order now. That lume will blow you away, and they also use the lume on the crown. Overall, a great looking timepiece. These are going to be $4.99 USD at the MMI website. So guys, go check them out. Thanks for tuning in.